In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free dice in Monopoly Go. This Monopoly Go hack is working in 2024 and it is super simple, guys. It's going to allow you to get almost unlimited amounts of free dice, and it literally takes just a few minutes of your time, saving you a bunch of money, because I'm sure you're aware that the in-app purchases are pretty expensive, guys, for Monopoly Go, saving you a bunch of money. So let's get into the tutorial, guys, and show you how to get your free dice in Monopoly Go using a Monopoly Go hack. It is super simple and it takes just a matter of minutes. So you need to go to this website on your phone, www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, very important, you go to this website. Now this website has lots of different pages on here. They have tons of different things. You need to search for the Monopoly Go page, and I'm using the search bar at the top here, and you can see you can get Monopoly Go free dice redeem codes. However, there is also a Monopoly Go hack. So you just need to select the top one here that says 999999 free dice rolls. Click on that and you're going to now see this screen here. This is the Monopoly Go hack page. So click on start and follow all of the instructions that you're going to see here. So it's going to connect to the server. You need to make sure you have Monopoly Go installed on your phone. So you can see here it says we detected Monopoly Go on your iPhone. If you're using an Android, it will obviously say Android there. Select the resources you want and click continue. So you can choose dice, cash, or both. I'm going to choose both because I want free dice and free cash in Monopoly Go. And you can get 3,200 free dice plus an additional 15,000. So you can get almost 20,000 free dice. And you can also get almost 11 million in cash. So I'm going to click on both of those and then press on continue. And you can see people are doing this as I speak, so loads of people are benefiting from this hack. You can see it's going to add that to my account. It takes just a few minutes to do this from start to finish. Okay, so sometimes this happens, guys, where it says automatic verification failed, so you will need to manually perform a verification. So I'm not going to bother doing this just for the sake of the video. I don't want it to be too long, but you've got to click on verify and you're going to see a new screen and it will tell you how to verify yourself, guys. Just follow all of the instructions, complete a couple of tasks to complete the verification. And once you've done that, just reload your Monopoly Go game and you're going to have your free dice and cash. So simple as that, guys. Just head on over to Robot Coupons, search for this Monopoly Go free dice page and go ahead and follow through all of the instructions you've seen in this video. And that is how to get your free dice using a brand new working Monopoly Go hack. So enjoy and I'll see you next time. Peace out.